Listen up! 60% of adults in the United States are eating more plant-based meals. It's time to ditch the crisps and chocolate and get on board with some brilliant vegetarian snack ideas. We're diving deep into a world of vibrant, delicious, and downright addictive vegetarian snacks. Think avocado toast that would make a grown man cry, Greek yogurt parfaits that are lighter than a feather, and veggie platters bursting with more colors than a rainbow. So buckle up and get ready to revolutionize your snacking habits. Now some of you might be thinking, vegetarian snacks? That's just rabbit food for people who like to nibble on grass. Listen, you couldn't be more wrong. These snacks are packed with more flavor and nutrition than a Sunday roast. Choosing vegetarian snacks means you're doing your part to save the planet, one delicious bite at a time. It's a win-win situation. So ditch the guilt, ditch the processed junk, and embrace the wonderful world of vegetarian snacks. Right, you lot. Let's talk about speed. First up, we have avocado toast. Perfectly ripe avocado, seasoned to perfection, and piled high on toasted sourdough bread. Add a sprinkle of chili flakes for a kick, or some crumbled feta for a touch of luxury. Next we've got Greek yogurt parfaits. These are lighter than air, packed with protein, and you can customize them with whatever fruit you fancy. Just layer it up with some granola, and you've got yourself a snack fit for a king. And last but not least, we have roasted chickpeas. Toss them in your favorite spices, roast them in the oven, and you've got a snack that's more addictive than those blasted mobile games your kids are always playing. Now let's talk about entertaining, because you don't want to be caught serving up boring old crisps and dips at your next gathering, do you? You want to wow your guests with something spectacular. First up, we have falafel balls. Serve them with a dollop of hummus and some warm pita bread and you've got yourself a winning combination. Next we've got veggie spring rolls. Serve them with a dipping sauce of your choice and watch them disappear faster than a cheetah on a sugar rush. And for a touch of elegance, we have caprese skewers. Just thread cherry tomatoes, mozzarella balls, and fresh basil leaves onto skewers, and drizzle with a balsamic glaze. Garnish with fresh herbs and edible flowers, and your guests will think you've hired a professional caterer. Now let's talk about something a little sweeter, because everyone deserves a treat now and then, right? But that doesn't mean we have to resort to sugary snacks that will leave you feeling sluggish and guilty. First up, we have almond butter stuffed dates. Sweet, sticky, and packed with healthy fats and protein. You can even dip them in dark chocolate for an extra touch of decadence. Next we've got Greek yogurt popsicles. Simply blend Greek yogurt with your favorite fruits, pour into popsicle molds, and freeze. And for a taste of fall, we have roasted apple chips. Simply slice apples thinly, toss them with cinnamon and a touch of maple syrup, and bake until crispy. So there you have it, a culinary masterclass in vegetarian snacks. From quick and easy bites to impressive party platters, there's something here for everyone. Explore the colorful, flavorful world of vegetarian snacks. Nourish your body, satisfy your cravings, and help the planet. One bite at a time. Now stop making excuses and start snacking smarter today. Visit your link for more recipes and ideas.